Okay, now we're going out again. Come on. Let's go out in the yard. Let's go out in the yard. Come on, guys. Let's go out in the yard. Yes. Oops. She's going to do number 2. Well, we won't embarrass her. Come on, Gracie. Come on, Gracie Momo dog. Let's go out. Come on. Let's go out. Come on. Come on, Gracie. Let's go. Come on. I'll show you the yard. It's a nice day. Oh, there goes Gracie. Sorry, Gracie. We won't watch.